what's up? I'm back with another vlog and I'm going to concert tomorrow. The first one since like the lockdown started, like since March last year. I'm going to see Brooke and Mikey, which I'm so excited for because yeah, I miss them so much. I get to hug Brooke. I'm so excited. So yeah, come along with me. And like, I'm sorry if this vlog will be messy. Like, I posted previous concert videos and they're a bit messy, but this one hopefully will be better. Cause yeah, and I'll do an outfit check. So I have my Brooke Toxic Mugs, the signed one, and then some cargo pants from like ASOS and a belt from Shein. So that's my outfit. So, I'm so excited. I'm like hyperactive, but yeah, I get the train in like an hour, and then I'm in London, and I'm back in London. I literally haven't been to London in so long, like since March. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I get to see my best friends Lava, Kyla, and Chloe. So it's just all exciting. So yeah.
Oh hey! How you doing? Welcome to the Canon G7X vlog. They don't have a clue. Do you do YouTube? Screenshot. We've got a brand new subscriber. Alright, I'll drop a comment. How have you been? How's your week? Alright. Yeah? Anything cool? Yeah. I have no confidence. It's awful. I was like, what am I doing in my life?
Who's behind me?
I mean, that show gave me COVID. I'm convinced that show gave me COVID. I was dying at the end of that show, but oh well.
Do I do what?
I don't know that. I did the routine of like 6 years.
I smile for me.
I was walking behind you for a long time, you know, it was really funny because you guys didn't notice and you were talking and you looked over about 3 times but you didn't notice me, and I literally, as a joke, I was just walking like probably about that far behind you.
I'm quite half blind, so I don't blame me.
It's good to see you. Take selfies. Oh wow, hang on. What did you do there?
Yeah, and then take pictures. So record it and take photos. Yeah. Oh, you're missing one.
We're back on tour. After all this time, and I just want to say a big thank you to every single one of you for coming out. I don't know what I'm doing with this, but what I want to say a big thank you to every single one of you for your support over the last, well, it's an eternity. No, the last year and a half, and a really long time. Well, thank you all so much for coming out and staying so supportive of all of us as well. So I'm going to do it again. London, make some noise! So embarrassing. Is everyone alright? Is everyone having a good time? Yeah? Have you seen things on here? Everyone get your sandwiches and meal deals ready? No, not one person. That's really fine. We have some amazing acts up for you guys today. Anyone? Any guesses? Who is it? Yeah, well, you're all right. Well done. So first and foremost, we have the one and only Jamie Hiron. We have Billy and Louie. We have the wonderful Angels and Bandits. We have Ronnie. And last but not least, we have the one and only Brooklyn! This is so good. It feels so weird being on stage again. See, there's camera phones everywhere. So it is my absolute pleasure to introduce the first act. He's an absolute legend. I manage him. So we've been working together for about a year. He's a really, really good guy, one of the most talented people that I've ever met, and I want you all to give it up for him, alright? Put your hands together, make loads and loads of noise. He's going to perform even though he's got a terrible voice. No, not like singing. Even though his voice is I love you, mate. I love you. Give it up for Jamie Hiron! I'm going to start with the right side. I'm going to split you right down here between two. No, you're that's it. Okay. Right side, are you ready to make some noise? Said, are you ready to make some noise? No. You got to scream out to three. No. 1, 2, 3! Bit disappointed, right side. No, ready. Left side. Make some noise! Okay, left side one. Sorry, right side. Our parents in the back, make some noise! Yeah! Thank you! What a great day. What a great day. It's so good to go. We have another performance for you. Please welcome Road Trip. No, I'm joking.
He actually went
That's it. But no, we actually do have an amazing act coming up for you. Alright, you've got to make just as much noise as you have for everyone else, because you've all been brilliant. You know you've been brilliant. Well done, guys. That sounds so patronising. I'm so sorry. You are good though. You've got to put your hands together, you've got to go absolutely crazy, because there's 5 of these guys. And there's one new member that got announced today. And it's her first ever show as well. Her name's Charlotte, but it's spelled Charlotte. So there's 2 of the letters there. Pretty cool. So you got to make some noise. Sorry everyone. Technical difficulties, ignore me.
Wrong side, Mikey.
Yeah. Okay, you've got to put your hands together, you've got to go absolutely crazy. Take photos, share them all over the internet, do the things that you guys do these days. Let's see what go absolutely crazy for all 5 of them. It's Angels and Bandits! You guys, it's so good seeing you. This is so fun. London, who's having a good time? This is the best time. This is the best part of the last like year and a half. Other than England. England was good, wasn't it? Did anyone watch England? I was on the telly. How cool is that? Honestly, I got more famous than that than 5 years of road trip. I'm only joking. We have an amazing act coming up. A very, very lovely person as well who I've been touring with for about 6 years. 6 years. You know. So we did our first ever show together in 2016. So we did our first ever show in 2016. You were at our first ever... She said that. This is the worst intro ever. You were at our first show in 2016, weren't you? Yeah, man. We got that. So from the very start of my career doing this, she's been there all the way with me. And I want you to give a massive round of applause. Scream, sing, jump, do whatever you want to do. Give it up for Bronnie! That noise. Just hearing people, it's going to sound really weird, but having people scream at you in a good way. You guys are about to go absolutely. I'm going to try and hurry up as long as I possibly can. I know you're all desperate. So, I wonder who's coming out next then. So this artist, so weird calling him an artist. So this artist is about to perform his first ever solo show in front of an audience. He's got tons of original songs, which I'm sure you know the words to. And I want you to go crazy. Because every time I've seen you go crazy before, you've done it amazingly. What am I saying? You go crazy every time that you see this guy, and I want you to go even more crazy this time. Please welcome for his first ever solo show. Give it up for Brooklyn. What's up, London?
Say that I could have been the whole world. Sing!
Come and see it for yourself.
Oh, not knowing what it takes to get used to. Figure it out, yeah, we'll figure it out. So let's catch a flight to Mars. Park up backseat of my car. We can watch this world from afar. It feels like we could float it forever. The times that we're tough. So let's talk about the times that we lost. After this stress is enough. So let's catch a flight to Mars. Got my heart at your fingertips. So let's move to Mars, plant flowers and have some kids at the top of the lights, flying up alone tonight. Is it bad that I hope that you're as soft as me? Sing it! Nice. I was blinded by your younger years. Just you who caused these tears. So I'm glad that I know that you're not coming back to me. You said you wasn't feeling it. You said that you didn't care. I know you regretted it, but why should I be there? I'm thinking about you last night, and you told me to speak alone, that make you stay home alive. I'm glad you're alone tonight. You're already falling in the deep end, but what it's worth, I knew you should've stayed friends and bring it up to cry. You already said we got a little treat for you. Ryan, hit it, mate.
Time to make some noise tour. I know it's been a lot of people's first show for a long time. But give yourself one massive round of applause again. Honestly, you absolutely smashed it. And I just want to reintroduce all the... No. You need to stop. So I want to reintroduce every single act for today. Please give it up first and foremost for Bronnie! He's coming. Bronnie! Please give it up for the one and only... Who's next? Jamie Horan! Didn't he kill his performance? Didn't he absolutely? Give it up for Jamie one more time! Please give it up for the wonderful Billy Lee! One more time! Almost got that hanging. And last but by far not least, please give it up for Angel and So from every single last one of us on stage, we want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you as well. You've shown so much support to every single one of us over the last year and a half, where it's been really hard for everyone. So from the bottom of all of our hearts, a massive thank you to you, London. You've been amazing. Thank you so much. But that is the end.
Okay, so I come to editing my video and I realised I forgot to do an outro as it was quite late when I got back off the train. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below if you want more content like this, like vlogs going to contests, because I'm going to be vlogging on Saturday for the Make Some Noise Manchester and vlogging on the week after for the Make Some Noise Sheffield tour and any future concerts I do go to, because I'm going to a few this year. So stay tuned for them. And comment down below what you think, and also don't forget to follow my social medias, which are at the end of the video, for more content like meet and greet pictures and any pictures I took from the shows. Peace.